mga bintingan.
In a very short while, we will be continuing our special awards. But for the
masipag na pulong barangay, mga chairman, sa aming mga
Jermin, dahil madadama na.
mga empleyado, mula po sa aming puso at sa aming paraiso, ang bayan ng Puerto Galera. Isang mainit na pagbati, Miss Puerto Galera 2025. Ang bawat kandidata ay kumakatawan sa lakas, tapang, natalino, ng kababayan Galerian.
Maraming tao.
Hindi na ito simpleng patipara. Ito ay pagtitiwang ng kultura, turismo, at pagkakakilanlan ng Puerto Galera. Sa lahat ng narito ngayon, sana ay maibigay ninyo ang programa ito at makita ninyo ang liwanag at sigla ng ating bayan sa bawat magandang kaligatang pagpapaglisan ngayong gabi. Muli, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga kababaihan Galerian na tumangkap sa gawa ng programa natin ngayong gabi. Sa mga mahal kong Galerian, para sa inyo ang gabi ito. Palagi ninyong tandaan na sa lahat ng pagkakataon, kasama ninyo ako sapagkat wala nang higit pa sa serbisyo na bumula sa puso.
yes, tunay! Nabuhay ang Puerto Galera! Yes, ano kaya pag dito ka-energetic ang mga Puerto Galera dahil si Mayor mismo ay super energetic. Wala ko ng speech pa natapos. Talagang mabuhay ang kanyang isang buhay na sarili.
Alright, good job, Ronan. But before we continue, syempre, just like any other pageants, meron tayong criteria for judging and examining.
And for our criteria for judging, once again, wala ko natin. Syempre, Mayor Hollywood. Kailangan na yun. Salamat po, Mayor. And continuing on to our criteria for judging. Of course, our candidates will be judged fairly and carefully based on these criteria. Ito yung magbabasihan natin na mga numero paano natin mag-distinguish kung sino ang magwawagi for tonight's round.
For their production wear, stage presence and confidence is 30%.
Speech delivery and introduction is 30%.
Overall content style, 20%.
Projection and audience impact is 20%. For a total of 100%.
For their nakagawa attire,
We have our cultural integrity and inspiration for 30%.
use of blanket as main material, 40%.
Design
a grand total of 100%.
Still 100%, alright? For our next category is the swimwear. The figure, form, and physical fitness is 40%.
Catwalk, movement, and projection is 25%.
Confidence, voice, and charisma is 25%.
Overall presentation and impact, 10%.
For a total of 100%.
For our long gown category, stage presence, poise, and confidence, 40%.
Suitability and the overall fit is 30%. Rounds. So for our round 1, on the criteria for our judging, ay po ay pag nakapasok na po sila sa ating, yung ating round 1,
Ay, makinig pa si Han.
yung ibasihan for our first round, which is the beauty, 25 points,
Intelligence, 25 points.
and the Alawan, as our competition is 15 points.
Swimsuit, 15 points.
Evening gown competition, 50 points.
Production attire, 5 points.
And of course, that totals to 100 points.
From there, the candidates will be trimmed down to
For me,
20 points sa first round. Beauty, 45 points. Intelligence, 45 points. Beauty,
35 points for a total of
100 points.
yes. And of course, yan lang yan sa mga dapat nating abangan because right now I think these people have the hardest job to fill in tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to meet the distinguished panel regarding tonight's decision. Ngayon po ay makikilala naman sa inyo ang ibang matitikas at mga eksperto para makilala natin ang bakon ng Sparkle 2025.
Our first judge is an entrepreneur. He is the owner of One Monistat Construction, Norvac, Monistat Sand and Gravel, RP Auto Garage, and Ace Services Calapan. A graduate of BS Civil Engineering from Mapua University. He is a licensed civil engineer, Mr. Civil Engineer 2017 of Mapua University. He joined Mr. Cardinals 2018 of Mapua University. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge.
Child of the South. Yes, anything is possible. Outdoor customs involves being prepared as a fashion designer and a celebrity stylist. Graduated fashion design at the Fashion Institute of the Philippines, he is also a production stylist at Dreamscape Production, a member of Fashion Designers Alliance of Luzon, and a celebrity stylist and a fashion designer and owner of J1 Amado Atelier. Let's give it up for our second judge, Mr. J1 Amado.
Our next judge is studying at the Divine Word College of Calapan, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Science. She is an advocate of youth empowerment through spiritual development, an active youth leader of church, and an active student leader. She is Miss OMNHS 2020 first runner-up, Lupian Lazareto 2022, Miss Divine Word College of Calapan 2023, Miss CCAA 2023 second runner-up, and BB Labaro 2024 Southern Tagalog. And she is Miss Orienta Mindoro 2024. Let's give it up for Andrea Isabel Aguirre Escalilla. Our next judge is the owner of Tamarao Beach Resort, Puerto Galera. She graduated with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management from the University of Santo Tomas. Mundial Poblacion Puerto Galera 1981 and Miss Puerto Galera Academy 1984.
President of the Environmental College of Calapan, the Vice President for External Affairs of the School of Accountancy, years 2022 to 2023 of DWCC, the Auditor of Miss DWCC Organization, Vice Once again, may we request our candidates
ito kasi the last time we had this like of project, which Puerto Galera, 2018 pa. Ilang years na yun sa mga memories na ka? 7. Ayun, 2018 pa. Kaya nakakapanibago. Ayun, pero sa tulong ng aming local government unit, ng aming mayor, Mayor Robin Hilagan, ang Vice Mayor Rocky Hilagan, ng Sangguniang Bayan, ng lahat ng department heads, lalo ng aming municipal tourism officer, si Madam Christine Ibon, tayo ng mga pinagtulong-tulungan namin ng mga kawit ang gabi ito. At bago tayo magpatuloy na tawagan natin ang ating mga hurado para ating ibigay na ang ating mga token of appreciation at ang kanilang certificate.
Let us now welcome back again let us now welcome on stage our 5 judges or part of the selection committee to receive their certificates of appreciation and token from the amazing Puerto Galera.
Let me read the content. Certificate of appreciation is presented to Jay
Mamaya ulit.
Alvaro for his invaluable service as judge during the Miss Puerto Galera 2025 pageant.